Adapt or perish. In the world of marketing, adapting to the latest technologies can mean the difference between success and failure. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized the way businesses approach marketing, and in 2023, it's more important than ever to leverage AI tools to stay ahead of the curve. In this video, we'll explore the 10 best AI marketing tools to help you grow your business and thrive in the years to come. Let's get started. 10. Crayon. Founded in 2014 by Jonah Lupin and John Osborne. Since then, the company has become a leader in competitive intelligence and market insights, helping business stay ahead of the curve in an ever-changing digital landscape. Using advanced machine learning algorithms, Crayon scours the web for data on competitors, industry trends, and customer behavior, providing businesses with valuable insights and recommendations for their marketing strategies. One of the key benefits of Crayon is its ability to provide real-time intelligence on competitors. By monitoring competitors' websites, social media accounts, and other digital channels, Crayon can alert businesses to changes in their competitors' strategies and help them adjust their strategies accordingly. Another benefit of Crayon is its ability to identify emerging trends and shifts in customer behavior. By analyzing data from multiple sources, including social media, search engines, and other digital channels, Crayon can help businesses stay ahead of the curve and anticipate changes in customer needs and preferences. 9. Seventh Sense. Well, they say that timing is everything, and when it comes to email marketing, that's true. In fact, according to a report by Experian, personalized emails that are sent at the right time can generate up to 6 times more revenue than non-personalized emails sent at random times. That's where Seventh Sense comes in. This AI-powered marketing tool uses advanced algorithms to determine the best time to send your emails based on each subscriber's behavior. As the proverb goes, the early bird catches the worm. And that's exactly what Seventh Sense aims to do. Send your emails at the precise time when your subscribers are most likely to engage with them. By analyzing millions of data points, Seventh Sense can predict the exact moment when your subscribers are most likely to open your email, read your content, and take action. It's like having a crystal ball that tells you the best time to hit send. 8. Phrasee. This tool is a diamond in the rough when it comes to leveraging artificial intelligence for marketing. You might say it's a case of out with the old, in with the new, because Phrasee is shaking things up in the industry. Now you might be wondering what makes Phrasee stand out from the rest. Well, let me tell you, statistics don't lie. In fact, according to their website, Phrasee has helped companies achieve an increase in email open rates and increase in click-through rates. But as they say, the proof of the pudding is in the eating. So, what makes Phrasee so effective? It's simple. The tool uses natural language generation and machine learning to generate subject lines and other marketing content. This means that the language used is more likely to resonate with the target audience, leading to higher engagement rates. So, if you're looking to spice up your marketing efforts, Phrasee is a tool to consider. With its impressive track record and cutting-edge technology, you can rest assured that you'll be in good hands. 7. Personalize. This is a marketing AI tool that was founded in 2018, making it a relatively new player in the industry. However, don't let its youth fool you, because this tool is quickly making a name for itself as a solid marketing AI tool. This tool leverages AI to analyze customer behavior and preferences, enabling businesses to deliver personalized content and experiences that resonate with their target audience. According to their website, businesses that use Personalize have seen a 30% increase in conversion rates and a 50% decrease in customer acquisition costs. But what sets Personalize apart from other marketing AI tools? It's their focus on context. Personalize not only considers customer behavior and preferences, but also takes into account the context in which that behavior occurs. This means that businesses can deliver personalized content that is not only relevant to the customer, but also to the situations they are in. 6. SEMrush. This is an AI marketing tool that was founded in 2008, making it one of the more established players in the industry. This tool has gained a solid reputation as a reliable and effective tool for digital marketers looking to improve their online presence. This tool enables businesses to gain insights into their online presence, including their search engine rankings, competitor analysis, and content performance. By leveraging AI and machine learning, SEMrush can provide recommendations to improve SEO, PPC, and content marketing. One of the standout features of SEMrush is its ability to provide valuable insights into competitor strategies. By analyzing the content, keywords, and backlinks of competitors, businesses can gain a better understanding of what works in their industry and adjust their strategies accordingly. 5. HubSpot SEO. Here's a riddle for you. What do you get when you cross a search engine with a customer relationship management tool? Answer: HubSpot SEO. Okay, so maybe that wasn't the most challenging riddle, but it does highlight the unique combinations of features that make HubSpot SEO such a powerful marketing tool. Essentially, HubSpot SEO is an all-in-one platform that helps businesses optimize their website and content for search engines while also providing tools for managing customer interactions and tracking marketing performance. As a marketing tool, HubSpot SEO is incredibly versatile. It can help businesses of all sizes and industries to improve their online visibility, generate more leads, and ultimately drive more revenue. Some of the key features of HubSpot SEO include: HubSpot SEO provides tools for researching and analyzing the keywords that your target audience is using to search for your products or services. You can use this information to optimize your website and content to better match those search queries and improve your search engine rankings. 4. Acrolinks. Acrolinks is a marketing AI tool that was founded in 2002, so it has been around for quite a while now. Over the years, Acrolinks has established itself as a leading content optimization platform, helping businesses to improve the quality and effectiveness of their written content. One of the things that make Acrolinks stand out from other marketing AI tools is its focus on language and tone. Acrolinks uses advanced natural language processing algorithms to analyze written content and provide feedback on things like grammar, style, and tone of voice. By doing so, Acrolinks helps businesses to create content that resonates with their target audience and effectively communicates their message. In terms of past statistics, Acrolinks has had a lot of success in helping businesses to improve the quality of their written content. For example, a study by Forrester Consulting found that businesses using Acrolinks saw a 30% increase in customer engagement and a 25% increase in content effectiveness. 3. MarketMuse. Here's another riddle for you. What marketing tool can help you create content that's fit for a king with truly enlightening insights? Answer: MarketMuse. MarketMuse is an AI-powered platform that helps businesses to optimize their content creation process and improve the quality of their written content. As a marketing tool, MarketMuse is incredibly versatile. It can help businesses of all sizes and industries to create content that resonates with their target audience and drives more leads and revenue. MarketMuse uses AI to analyze your existing content and provide recommendations on how to improve it. This includes insights on things like topic relevance, keyword usage, and content depth, all of which can help you to create content that's optimized for search engines and resonates with your target audience. 2. LivePerson. Have you ever visited a website and seen a pop-up chat box in the corner that allows you to chat with a customer service representative in real time? If so, you may have encountered LivePerson. Founded in 1995, LivePerson is a marketing tool that allows businesses to engage with their customers in real time through a variety of channels, including chat, messaging, voice, and video. The platform is designed to help businesses create meaningful, personalized interactions with their customers, whether they are browsing a website, using a mobile app, or communicating through social media. One of the key benefits of LivePerson is its ability to improve customer engagement and satisfaction. By providing real-time support and personalized interactions, businesses can build stronger relationships with their customers and increase loyalty and repeat business. Another benefit of LivePerson is its ability to provide valuable insights into customer behavior and preferences. By analyzing customer interactions, businesses can gain a better understanding of what their customers want and need and adjust their marketing strategies accordingly. 1. Albert AI. Founded in 2010, Albert AI is a marketing tool that uses artificial intelligence to help businesses create and execute more effective digital marketing campaigns. The platform is designed to automate the entire marketing process, from campaign creation to executions and analysis. One of the key benefits of Albert AI is its ability to optimize marketing campaigns in real time. Using advanced algorithms, the platform analyzes data from multiple sources, including social media, search engines, and other digital channels, to identify patterns and insights that can be used to improve campaign performance. Another benefit of Albert AI is its ability to create personalized, targeted campaigns at scale. The platform can automatically generate creative assets such as ad copy and images and optimize them for maximum impact based on data from previous campaigns. To wrap things up, let's remember the words of the great philosopher Confucius, who said, "Success depends on previous preparation, and without such preparation, there is sure to be a failure." By harnessing the power of AI marketing tools, businesses can be better prepared to face the challenges of the modern marketing landscape and achieve success. We hope this list of the 10 best AI marketing tools in 2023 has helped guide you towards the right tools for your business. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more informative articles like this.